Alright guys, pretty late night. I just got off the review, which I've been staying in the Starbucks for like entire afternoon now. Haven't eat yet. I'm probably gonna eat later because I bought McDonald's for myself. But before that, we're actually gonna start today's video right here. First of all, intro. Roll it. Alright guys, pretty late night. I just got off from the review, which I've been staying in the Starbucks for like entire afternoon now, and haven't eat yet. I'm probably gonna eat later because I bought McDonald's for myself. And but before that, we're actually gonna start today's video right here. First of all, intro. Roll it. I don't know what you guys think, but I think that the Christmas tree right there is freaking damn cool. Isn't that nice? Always changing lights, especially when at night it just completely like shiny right there. Alright, back to the video. Wow, look at how beautiful the iPhone gets the shot. I don't even think GoPro can do it. Let me switch on GoPro right now, see that's a comparison. That's smart HDR. I actually think it's pretty sick on GoPro because GoPro has their GoPro color profile that you don't have to color grade it. Also HDR, but sometimes I think iPhone even performs better. And super wide angle I think is pretty good for filming yourself. So right here, GoPro wins, but sometimes iPhone also wins. Alright, right now you can see I'm using the gimbal over here, which I put the 13mm lens, whatever, so it's heavy, it's quite heavy right now, so I don't know this gimbal can actually take like the payload is that much, so probably test it out. Remember the drone shot video I just released like last time? For that one I actually used the 10mm lens and with this gimbal, but when I like really moving around chasing the drone, it didn't really stabilize that well. So today basically right now I'm gonna test it out. This gimbal is this lens, so I'm perfectly balanced it. I'm pretty sure, oh shoot, kind of unstable and it's pretty heavy. Alright, let's just go see it. Alright, I think I just changed my mind. Using something like this, just too freaking heavy, like for vlogging. So right now I'm using a smartphone with a smartphone gimbal, right? So I'm using 10s Max with Osmo Mobile 2, and we're gonna go out and fly drones. Alright, so setting up the drone. Don't think anyone gonna help me to film since I'm filming with my smartphone. And yeah, so I have to set it up and fly the drone. I'm not gonna do it because I did it so many times, so you guys probably not interested anymore. So I just roll the intro, roll it. Go to the next one. 哎呦我操！你俩，我还没飞过这个东西呢。
所以你这个东西6000块钱在家没用过，
因为它太大，这么大。我告诉你，他用那个箱子往出拎，我他妈没事也不可能拎着那个箱子。3座，但是有那个绳子。这个我就是家庭有，但是它的那个版本不是有这个屏幕的。这是没屏幕的，对，它那个版本就没屏幕的，把 cell phone 放在上面。看这个在闹，这个它已经连好了。不可以飞。
你看我怎么做？
对，这还有个齿轮往下。这个更大。没有，他给我看奥特。 Alright, so basically guys, today is kind of like a boring day, didn't do anything, whatever. So we're gonna go eat at night, so cannot really recording because that's pretty private. Yeah, and yeah, right now I feel like a headache and tired and sleepy, whatever. Didn't do anything today, but today I go check out the Osmo Mobile. It's pretty damn cool actually, and I check out the Inspire 2. It's only like 3,000 bucks from like, I remember like 6,100 before, so it's way much cheaper and stuff. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, right now it's morning on Sunday, so this is probably like the last weekend I have before the Christmas. So the next weekend I'm probably gonna get the New York City. So room messy, but like I think before I clean up these, I have to actually start reviewing for the panel. Like I just gonna review a little bit because I don't think even it's gonna work that well if I review like a lot. So what I'm gonna do is review a little bit. I'll basically finish all my legwork because I have like a tons of legwork. Actually not really, but one legwork, but it's just pretty long and it takes time to write it. I don't know if I'm gonna stay here because it's so messy. Am I gonna go to Starbucks to do it or not? Depends. So yeah, I'm gonna review a little bit. Have like freaking 4 or 5 missing assignment in math, 1 missing assignment in the English and stuff, and oh my goodness. Alright, let's just start working right now.